remember some sandwiches ain't time allowances, but it's a nigga with some counterfeits. But now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my accountant lives and think I'm down in this. You say with my roommate tastes like too late for the analyst. Girl, I can buy your whiskey, girl, with my face stuff. Ooh, that pussy good, won't you sit it on my taste buds? Make it way too heavy, won't you let me do the extras? Pull up on your pocket, break it down, we playing Tetris. AM to the PM, PM to the AM phone. Piss out your per diem, you just gotta hate them folk. If I quit your BM, I still got Mercedes folk. If I quit this season, I still got.
Today, as you see, we are out at the lot. This is my first time being here. It's a well-known little lot around my area. Today is a big day. We have a ride in like pretty much 3 hours from now, and I am really excited. So we're gonna kick this off here. I'm gonna mess around here because, as you saw in the last video, I haven't really gotten to show you guys any like actual real decent clutch ups with the new sprocket setup we got. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna probably hang around here 10-15 minutes at most. I don't really plan on sticking around too long. Then we're gonna ride a little ways that way to our buddy's house and hang out over there for a little bit, and then roll out to the ride from their house. So that's the game plan. We're gonna mess around here for a little bit, and then we'll get back on the road. So let's see what we can do. Oh my god, it comes up way fast. Holy crap. I was not expecting that. I am not gonna lie. Okay, so now we know for certain, if you commit, this thing comes right up. Wow, was not ready for that, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just like sitting here taking that in. That's a really big difference. Wow, okay, now we know. That's impressive. I don't know what that is. I don't know what causes that noise, but it's like, if anybody has an idea of that, let me know. I've been trying to figure it out, and it only does it sometimes, and it does it mainly after I like ride it really hard. Let's get going a little bit. Well, I don't want to do a ton because I already need no fork seals. We're gonna call that good. First things first. Let me pull over here out of the people's way though. I'm gonna text the boys and let them know I'm about to be headed their way. I don't even know if they're home or not, so let me text the bros and see what's cracking. Alrighty guys, me and my boy Christian are headed off to the meeting spot. I'm excited. It's warmed up out. It feels so good. Yeah. Yeah. And there's Ethan. Oh my God. Already getting rowdy. To smoke. Putting in work up here. Oh my God. Yes. Hey, I saw that Grom earlier. I saw that Grom earlier.
Fucking Dixer guys, dude.
Biggest thing about these rides, guys, I know I'm being super quiet and it's just because I'm focusing, but for what I know about these rides is literally what they say: ride your own ride. You don't see me, as bad as I want to be up front where all that action's at, you're not going to see me try as hard as I can to get up there, because number one, it's not safe, and number two, I really don't belong up there. I've talked to quite a few people and seen enough videos to know, like, if you're not in the front of one of these rides, if you're in the front of one of these rides, you should be wilding and stunting. And yes, I want to get that on the video, but as you guys see, it's going on everywhere, and up front obviously is a little more hectic. Don't feel the need to keep up with your friends or anything. You'll find them, I promise. I've lost both of mine that I was here with. Christian's somewhere behind me, and I don't know where Logan's at. I think Logan's up front somewhere. There's no So that is the man, the myth, the legend himself right there, who's pretty much over Tulsa Grom Squad. That man kills it with everything he does. You gotta give the credit where it's due, people. And this boy right here on the blue Grom, the light blue Grom, he was in the last video in the yellow Grom, but he painted his plastic. It looks sick. It looks so sick. I'm alone. I'm all alone again. I got a Grom homie with me, so that's kind of cool. Oh, we're getting videoed. Good dog. About the sidewalk jump here. Monkey's just sitting there doing a burnout. Let me see something, Logie. Let me see something, Logie. I love how we're just mobbing the bike lane. I haven't even acknowledged that we're doing that until right now. That's kind of funny. I'm trying to stay out of people's way. I never want to be that guy that's like that guy at the meet who just is in people's way. I hate being that dude. I'm not sure where we're really going. I'm shocked we haven't went down Riverside. Oh, we are. Spoke too soon. Look at that. You're about to be able to see everybody. I wish we were farther back, because this would be a sick shot right here. So many videos from just people walking. It's cool to see. See, the bikes make everybody happy. We're definitely getting called in now if we haven't. Make sure I was recording. Sheesh. Stunt bike is so sick, dude. Guys, we aren't even an hour into this ride. This is nutty. Yo, these sound good. Okay. Okay. Big boy work. Yeah. I don't know if I've ever seen this in person. That is sick. Like a 636. Logan! Little stoppy. Oh God. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Stunting a Harley. Almost! It just about got me. He's gonna go get it. He said, bet I'll go get him. Yep. Oh, that's funny. You got him good. Okay. I was not expecting that.
Them cops scared me for a second.
Same.
I thought they were waiting on us.
That's kind of what I thought too. That's foul. Yeah. trying to grab people or what? He didn't look happy though. Monkey putting on a show. That's so funny.